Hey, this is Don Pavlica coming to you from Grand River Detailing, Don's Garage and Don's Detail Bay in Howell, Michigan. Here's the disc I've been raving about the past few weeks. I want to take and show you how thick this is. This is a 3000 grit non-woven disc to be used in a spot moist application. You'll need safety glasses, the discs, surge protector, gloves to help reduce the vibration, and of course a electric sander. My next video, I'll be showing you in more detail the process itself. And by the way, there's the interface pad, which is the key to the whole process. And as always, these can be purchased at djpavlica.com. Thank you for your time, and you make it a great day.